Hey folks, welcome back. Doc D in a Dungeon, and getting really close to finishing up on the portable light and camera charging station, and so I wanted to bring you back in. This will be a really short video. I have one more thing left to do, and that is run power for all of these things, and I've got the parts on order from Amazon. They should be here early next week, and one more video to complete it. But I thought this was a good place to, because this shows pretty much the overall content of what's here, and as you can see, it's coming out nicely, and I'm pretty darn happy with it. So I'm going to bring you in close so that you can actually see everything. And all right, so the last thing I completed was the top pan here, and I still have to anchor the partition. But this stuff is all attached. If I pull this out, these are actually attached with Velcro so that I can take them in and out if I need to do some service on them or change them out, whatever. I didn't want them to be permanently attached, but I wanted them to be semi-permanently attached. So this side over here is clear because, you know, we've got the two handles here. I'll have another Z-knife mantle on this one, and so those are actually going to push up pretty closely on that. Let's go ahead and zoom you in if we can. There we go. And see if I can get you just a little bit closer. All right, there you go. So top tray, and I still need to do some type of hold downs on here, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do on that. It may be something really simple. I'll probably do one bungee across there just to hold them in place. Something simple. Simple is always better. If we look at below, pull these up and out of the way. So I've got, can't see that. Why can't you see that? Bear with me just one second here. There we go. That's a little better. All right. So we've got my backup lights, my spear gun lights. I got two backup lights out right now. And then I decided that this will have just miscellaneous stuff. It's a place to put my case for the cards. My Garmin inReach will go in here as well, and then so I've got an 8-plug charging adapter, USB charging adapter that's going to sit right here, and so all the wiring for, you know, over here we've got the, over here we've got our GoPro batteries, my Canon batteries, all that good stuff. Those will all go through the bottom and they'll come back up here and we'll plug into that. And then these, actually these two have manual plugins, and so I'm going to have to hardwire. Oops, you couldn't see that. Sorry about that. 1 second. Yeah. So these two chargers have just regular cords on them. I've already cut the ends off of them. I'm going to hardwire those in. I'm going to bring power in right here. I've got all this stuff on order. Like I said, it should be here early next week, and so I'll make it, basically make I'll probably 3D print a piece that I'll glue on here that will just serve as a little wire cage, if you will. But anyhow, I'm pretty darn happy with it, and yeah, like I said, I think it's at the 98th percentile, and yeah. Will I do another one of these? Yes, I will absolutely do another one of these, and you know, I can't wait to do it. It'll probably be a little bit better, probably a little different, but generally speaking, I am pretty happy with how this turned out. All right, so anyhow, this has been a really interesting build. Done a lot of 3D printing, done a lot of laser cutting, a lot of precision measuring and fitting, and like I said, overall I'm really happy with it. I have an announcement coming up involving this, and it involves another organization that I'm involved with, and so look forward to that coming out in the next couple of days. Doc D out. Have a great weekend.